Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we had another break-even day for your boy. I'm about to run you through exactly what was happening in my mind while taking this trade. All right, so here's what's going through my mind. First thing I want to do is mark out this right here is all-time highs. Okay, so first thing going into the morning is if we come up here, we're going to be looking to take a continue. Oh, wait, hold on. If it comes up, we just need to be careful and make sure it doesn't come up here before we're able to get a trade, because if it goes to all-time highs, no trades, which today I took a trade. So I'll explain that in a second. First thing, we got 5-minute candle, market open, sweep liquidity. Looking for 2 bearish candles. Bam, there's our 2 bearish candles. We go here, top of the move, bottom of the move. Volume is all the way up here. All right, so we got to move downward, but no volume move. And as you can see, oh, this right here, it looks like it now would be a valid trade. I did not take this. I think I missed this. We'll see if this hits or not. Boom. That would have been entry. We would have gone here and here. Let's see if this would have hit. Ooh. We would have been edged right there. Stop would have gone break even. Dang, look at that. Look at that. It would have been a W on the day right there. I unfortunately missed that. Hate to see it. But it is what it is. Anyway, we continue. This is our swing point. We want 2 bullish closes above this so we can get a continuation upwards. And this is all based on liquidity. So the reason we want to keep moving up is because there's other liquidity up here. Now, this is the very top, okay? This is the very last draw on liquidity if you're bullish, okay? So if we get 2 bullish candles right here, it's going to have to close like right here, not hit this, retrace, and then go like that. So that's what we're looking for. There's 1. There's 2. Now, do we get the retracement? No. You see, it goes ahead and sweeps. Now, I did a little bit of forward testing here, okay? This would be a valid setup right here, okay? If this wasn't all-time high, okay? So we have this is the lowest bullish candle that started this trend. We go from the bottom of it to here. Now you can see that this right here is above the 50%. The volume is above 50%, so we can put it at the 50%. We can hit buy. And bam. Okay, we would have got entered. This is the trade I took. I got entered right here. Stop loss at the low. DP at here. Okay, this is the trade I go to. Now, what do you notice about this? This is the first candle that touches this 50%, and you can see it closed all the way down here. Usually what that means is we're going to continue dumping like super duper far. So I saw this, and what I did was I went break even. So on this next candle, you can see we push up like super duper far. I got out about right there. I saw we pushed up a little bit. I said, this is good enough. We're probably going to continue dumping since we closed so far beneath this 50%. I'm lucky that it even went this high. Got out, took a small loss of $40. Now, keep in mind, I did go very low risk on this trade because I knew it was all-time highs, and I don't have data on whether this strategy works on all-time high or not. So I did a little bit of forward testing with low risk, and I think it was good. We're just going to never trade all-time highs, okay? We're just going to keep it safe Never trade all-time highs. So if we sweep the all-time high, like here, anything after this sweep, invalid, okay? Invalid. So, so the trade ended up being a small $40 loss on today. I missed this trade setup, unfortunately, so it's okay though. And then you can see here, it pushed up. It would have been so funny if it like hit TP and then continued, but it would have hit stop loss right there without hitting take profit, and it's not close enough to go break even, so he would have got stop loss hit on this. You can see it hit the stop loss though, and then it pumped. Then it pumped to take profit, which is a little comedic. And then we dumped. Hold on, there's a gnat. Thought I got it. I don't think I got it. Anyway, yeah, then we dump. Now we have swept both zones, but we are past at this point. We're past. Oh, we're not past. Let's see if we hit this 50% trade retracement before 1 o'clock. Wow, we hit it right at. I haven't looked at this yet. Let's see. This would be a valid trade, except we're at all-time highs. So we would have done this and this. Let's see if this would have hit. Ooh. It hasn't hit yet. This is the latest market is. So this would be interesting to see if this hits or not. Do have a 5-minute SMT. That's kind of scary. Yeah, let's see if that hits or not. That's interesting. Oh, never mind. It did not hit. You can see that. Like that. This would have ended in a loss though, because we had to get out before the 5 o'clock for the prop firm. And so I think it's 4 o'clock actually. So we probably would have got a break even like right there. Interesting to see. That's gonna be all for this trade recap. All-time highs, another weird day. Tomorrow's Friday. It's a no news Friday, I think. I know there is a little bit of news. Anyway, weird week. Monday we took a W. I think this was no trade. And then break even. And then actually we're up because we did a $70 break even here and then a $40 loss. So we're up like $600 this week on the funded. Not the greatest, but kind of a weird thing with Iran, and we're at all-time highs, so I'm satisfied so far. Let's see if we can get capitalized on Friday tomorrow. Hopefully we don't pump to all-time highs again. Hopefully overnight we dump, like take out this low or something. This would be fantastic if we went this far, but 400 points, I do want us to go lower. Although it's really good right now, it's really good for my long-term investments. Long-term investments are up big right now because we're at all-time highs, and I'm like only invested in the Nasdaq. So not the best portfolio, but I'm young. Anyway, that's gonna be all for this video. Peace.